Hi all, this is the conditions right now. In the Boston. Look at that. Heavy blowing snow, heavy snow. Winds are very, very strong. The plows are out, so I'm trying to keep my distance here. But yeah, look at that. Blowing sideways. It is 29 degrees right now. I just want to give you an update. I think there could be probably about half a foot of snow already. Probably more. It's been snowing since last night. So, but yeah, 29 degrees. There's another plow coming here, so they're trying to keep up with all this snow. Let me make sure that I